Hoppa. Okay, I'm up here at the Koo Wee Rup rest stop, and I've come up here because John at the Pro Kart wanted me to come up here one day. You might can't see it there, there's a little river there, and the ocean's just outside in the distance. And that's the freeway with all the traffic. That way is going towards Phillip Island, which is where we're heading. But we thought I'll come up here because John wanted me to come up here. Last time we came up, I didn't actually climb up here. But this is for you, John, so I'm going downstairs because I'm busting for a toilet break. There's no toilets up here, so we'll just go down the stairs. Okay, there's heaps of people down there, as you can see. They're having a picnic, and there's our car there, lady with the dog there. But anyway, we'll climb down. There's, yeah, there was an elevator. Oh, hello. Yeah, oh yeah, it's not a bad view, but it'd be easier with an elevator going up and down. There you go. Take a picture of it, a video of it a bit further away. Hello. There you go. That's what it looks like from down here. Last time I came here, as I mentioned, I did a video. I didn't actually go up there because we were just on our way. And John said next time you come up, go up there. There's the freeway. There's a little vending van there. Donuts, hot dog. Mum's in the car there. We just had a quick bite to eat. So we're going to head down to Phillip Island now. But this is the rest stop at Koo Wee Rup.